Hey guys, Sam here from Malaysia Dog Training, and the reason why I'm making this video today is to introduce my new company. My company was formerly known as Sam's Fur Kids Home Care and Psychology Center, and we have been established in the market for the past 3 years. But I find that the company's name is very lengthy, hence I decided to make it simpler and we formed Malaysia Dog Training. In Malaysia Dog Training, our expertise is we solve bad dog behaviors issue and we practice Caesar's way. Personally certified in dog psychology from Dog Psychology 101, understanding dogs' emotion and cognition from Duke University, we practice Caesar's way. Our new website is www.malaysiadogtraining.com. So you can just browse for me on web search and look for malaysiadogtraining.com, or you can also send me an inquiry via Sammy, S-A-M-Y, at malaysiadogtraining.com, or you can simply go to my Facebook page, which is www.facebook.com/malaysiadogtraining. Should you have any inquiries with your dog's behavior, feel free to call us and we will offer our best services to help you. Remember guys, they are not dogs, they are family. We also provide basic obedience training. Here, come. Sit. Sit. Get a hand. Get a hand. Get a hand. Down. Here, here. Bang. Here, roll. Roll.